Last summer, my apartment turned into a total sauna, and my energy bill skyrocketed from running the air conditioning. I bought a cheap window fan, but it rattled so loudly it kept me awake all night while barely moving any air. Finding a model with the right airflow, secure extensions, and quiet motors is a nightmare. In this video, I break down the top 7 window fans on the market after rigorous hands-on testing. We will count down to the ultimate cooling setup, including a number 1 pick that completely redefines how these devices work. Seven, Aspen Smart Window Dual Fan. When I first unboxed the Aspen, I was genuinely excited about its technological promises. Having a dual blade system that connects seamlessly to your home Wi-Fi network and integrates with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant sounds like the ultimate modern upgrade for a stuffy room. During my testing period, setting up the Aspen Home smartphone app allowed me to control the unit from across my apartment or even turn it on while commuting home so my bedroom would be pre-cooled. The digital LED interface on the unit looks sleek, and it provides a real-time programmable thermostat that runs between 60 and 80 degrees, attempting to match your precise thermal comfort automatically. Mechanically, the unit operates with an electronic reversible airflow control, meaning you can toggle between pulling fresh breeze inside or exhausting stagnant indoor heat with a quick tap on your device. The dual 8.5-inch blades deliver a 3-speed motor setup designed to cover spaces up to 500 square feet, making it suitable for larger master bedrooms or open-concept living spaces. One feature I appreciated during my hands-on evaluation was the completely removable and washable blades and grills. Being able to pop the front cover off and scrub away the sticky pollen and black dust that inevitably accumulates over a summer season is a massive benefit for indoor air quality and overall longevity. Looking at its physical construction, the frame features a built-in adjustable extender alongside an additional 5-inch panel, allowing it to expand anywhere from 24 inches to 36 inches wide. 6. Shinic 3-speeds window fan. Out of the box, this twin 9-inch blade unit is fully assembled, saving you from any tedious setup procedures before getting it mounted into your windowsill. During my multi-day evaluation process, I set this unit up in a humid kitchen to see how well it could combat stubborn cooking odors and heavy steam. It features a manual knob interface to adjust between low, medium, and high speeds, presenting a straightforward experience for anyone who wants a no-fuss cooling solution without any digital complexity. The technical specifications claim a maximum air volume capability of up to 1,400 cubic feet per minute, and during my testing, it certainly pushed a respectable volume of air across the room on its high setting. This particular model comes bundled with a removable bug screen, which is a fantastic addition if your residential windows lack built-in screens or if you're worried about evening moths being drawn into your home by the fan's light indicators. The accordion-style expandable panels are designed to adjust smoothly from 22 inches to 33.5 inches, allowing for a relatively snug fit within standard window frames to block external humidity. In terms of utility, this model includes built-in handles along the top and detachable feet, allowing it to pull double duty as a lightweight, portable tabletop box fan when it is not locked into a window frame. Weighing in at just 5.5 pounds, it is effortless to carry between rooms, making it a highly practical option for students living in dorms or individuals renting temporary apartments. 5. Shinic window fan with reversible airflow. Unlike its simpler sibling, this model introduces an electronically reversible airflow matrix featuring 9 specially engineered blades on each side. When testing this model in my living room, I immediately appreciated the inclusion of a full-function wireless remote control, allowing me to shift between modes without ever leaving the comfort of my couch. The transition from manual dials to digital controls gives this unit a far more premium feel right from the first interaction. The core strength of this unit lies in its 3 specialized functional modes. Regular intake to draw crisp morning air inside. Exhaust mode to rapidly expel hot air trapped near the ceiling in a unique exchange mode that coordinates the blades to circulate indoor air continuously. It also features a built-in thermostat that reads your ambient environment and manages the 3-speed settings automatically to hit your target comfort zone. During overnight testing, the automatic shutoff triggered flawlessly as the room cooled down, saving energy and preventing me from waking up shivering. Its physical installation is enhanced by an improved expandable panel system that stretches securely from 23.8 inches up to 37 inches, utilizing a dedicated locking mechanism that significantly reduces structural wobbling. The package also includes a complimentary roll of high-density foam sealing tape, which I found incredibly useful for packing into the minor gaps around the window track to prevent outside humidity from leaking back inside. The entire shell is EEL certified and built with water-resistant plastics, ensuring that a surprise summer drizzle won't instantly ruin the internal motor components. 4. Shinic 9-inch twin window fan. This specific model builds upon previous iterations by re-engineering the internal motor mounts to drastically cut down on structural vibrations. When I installed this unit into a large double-hung window in my study, the immediate takeaway was just how stable the entire chassis felt once the window sash was lowered onto the top frame. It provides an immediate and aggressive drop in room temperature by moving air with remarkable consistency across its wide grille surface. The unit is controlled via an updated electronic push-button interface that handles 3 distinct speed levels with clear visual indicators. The aerodynamic design of the dual 9-inch blades is optimized to pull a higher volume of air at lower RPMs, which directly translates to a quieter operating volume during extended use. Testing the lowest speed setting revealed an incredibly silent operation that easily blends into the background, making it perfect for light sleepers who still require constant air movement to stay comfortable throughout the night without disruptive hums. Fitment is another area where this model excels, boasting auto-locking expanders that stretch out smoothly to accommodate windows up to 37 inches wide. The build quality of the accordion expanders feels thicker and more robust than previous generations, creating a solid barrier against external heat when fully extended. It also preserves the versatile design of detachable stabilizing feet, giving you the freedom to pull it out of the window frame during peak heat hours and set it up as a high-powered floor circulator anywhere in your home. Throughout my testing pipeline, this unit proved to be an absolute workhorse capable of running continuously for hours without developing hot spots or electrical odors. 3. Bionaire window fan with reversible airflow blades. Bionaire has long been recognized for producing incredibly durable climate control products, and this manual control workhorse lives up to that reputation completely. From the moment you pick up the unit, the heavy-duty construction and dense weight signal a product built to last for multiple seasons. During my evaluation, I subjected this fan to a demanding environment with high ambient humidity, and its motors performed flawlessly without a single stutter. What sets this model apart mechanically is its manual control layout paired with independently reversible airflow blades. Each of the twin fans can be controlled separately, allowing you to set one blade to intake fresh outdoor air while the adjacent blade is set to exhaust indoor staleness. This dual-action push-pull configuration creates a highly effective cross-ventilation vortex within a single window frame, which is incredibly useful for studio apartments or isolated rooms that lack multi-window cross breezes across the broader floor plan. The physical design includes built-in adjustable extender panels that slide out to smoothly accommodate wider window openings without leaving dangerous gaps. The frame is engineered to sit deeply within standard double-hung window tracks, and the shape allows the window screen to remain perfectly intact behind the fan unit. The manual turning switches have a satisfying mechanical click to them, offering 3 distinct speed variations that allow you to customize the intensity of your localized microclimate with absolute precision. Testing this Bionaire model felt like revisiting an old friend that simply refuses to quit. The acoustic profile is deeply satisfying, throwing out a low, smooth purr that effectively masks disruptive outdoor traffic sounds while moving a massive column of air. 2. Holmes 9-inch digital CleanBreeze window fan. Over weeks of use, traditional window fans turn into magnets for dust, pet dander, and outdoor pollen, creating a filthy grill that is nearly impossible to clean without complete disassembly. Holmes solves this beautifully with their patented CleanBreeze technology, which features an easily removable back panel. During my testing, I was able to pop the panel off in under 10 seconds, allowing me to wipe away accumulated grime and maintain perfectly healthy, fresh air circulation. Percent beyond its incredible ease of maintenance, the CleanBreeze is an absolute powerhouse on a technical level. It utilizes twin high-performance blades driven by a robust motor that automatically reverses direction at the push of a button or via the included remote control. The airflow capacity tops out at an astonishing 1,896 cubic feet per minute, making it one of the most powerful twin-blade systems I have ever tested. Despite this massive air movement, it manages to remain whisper quiet, registering a mere 47 decibels on its lowest setting, which is quieter than a normal conversational whisper. The user interface features a highly responsive digital control panel with a programmable electronic thermostat. You can dial in your exact target temperature, and the fan will actively regulate its 3-speed settings or toggle between intake, exhaust, and exchange modes to maintain that environment. The chassis expands up to 35.5 inches using sturdy, integrated extender panels that lock firmly into place. Furthermore, the entire unit is constructed with highly durable, water-resistant materials and a weather-shielded motor, meaning you can leave it installed during rainstorms without worrying about electrical shorts. Backed by a comprehensive 3-year limited warranty and full EDL safety certification, the Holmes CleanBreeze feels like a premium, thoughtfully engineered appliance. 1. Vornado TRANSOM window fan. Finally, we have arrived at our number 1 pick, the Vornado, which completely reimagines what a window fan can be. Traditional window fans are bulky, square boxes that block your view, ruin your home's aesthetic, and force you to choose between fresh air or natural light. The TRANSOM completely shatters this archetype by utilizing a low-profile, tangential blower design that stands just over 7 inches tall. When I installed this in my bedroom window, I was blown away by how it preserved my view of the outdoors while blending elegantly into the room like a high-end soundbar rather than an industrial appliance. Do not let its slim, compact footprint fool you. The TRANSOM is an absolute engineering marvel. Instead of traditional spinning propeller blades, it utilizes an internal cross-flow air chamber that draws an abundant volume of fresh air inside or electronically reverses to exhaust stale air out. It seals off windows ranging from 26 inches all the way to 40 inches wide using Vornado's patented soft-fit foam block system. This innovative system provides a tight, custom-molded seal from end to end without requiring you to remove your window screen or scrape your delicate window frame. Operationally, the TRANSOM offers 4 distinct speed settings paired with an advanced auto temperature control system that monitors your room's climate continuously. The included remote control allows for effortless adjustments from across the room, and the digital display dims automatically so it won't disrupt your sleep cycle. Because of its tangential airflow design, the sound profile is completely different from any other fan on this list. It creates a uniform, incredibly quiet rush of air that lacks any annoying blade chop or motor whine, even on its highest output. Outro. That's all for today, folks.